How to create a YouTube thumbnail using Claude AI. All right, so first off, Claude cannot directly create image thumbnails. It's a text-based AI, but you can use Claude to plan, structure, and optimize a high CTR thumbnail and then design it in Canva or any other image generation website or AI. All right, so how do you go about doing this? Basically, like I said, it is a search engine or a question and answer engine. So basically, give it a prompt. So go ahead and paste in a prompt like this to generate a prompt for a thumbnail creation. It should be centered around flowers, and then just simply click on enter or send. Now, once you've sent this, and now once the prompt has been generated, all you need to do is just go ahead and copy this prompt. Let's use the Control key and C on Windows, and now simply head over to Canva. Once you're on Canva AI, or rather Canva, just simply go ahead and log into your account. If you do not have an account, go ahead and create one. And once you have created one, all you need to do is from the Your Design panel, head over to Canva AI. Once you're here, just go ahead and paste in your prompt instructions. Now, once you've done this, go ahead and click on Submit. And now Canva is going to go ahead and design your requested thumbnail. And then all you need to do is sit back and allow the artificial intelligence to do its job. And now all you need to do here is just download this to your computer by clicking on the download at the bottom left. As you can see, it has been downloaded. And now all you need to do is simply enter your text onto the image. And that's it, guys.